Hi all, this is Supriya Sara. I was placed in Wipro. I am a BTech final year student from CSE in Kakinada Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. Today in this video I want to share my personal experience and give some suggestions to you. First of all, accept your failure. Then only you can achieve in your life. I got rejected for 2 companies before in my previous interviews, and I got selected for the third company called Wipro with 3.5 package. I found my mistakes, I changed my practicing, through the practicing only I can achieve this. For every interview there are 3 main important points you should note in your brain. The first thing is mini project. Why I mention mini project is, our interview process would be started from our 6th or 7th semester itself. In that time we did not complete our main project, final year project. So when you completed your mini project in a second year itself, it gives you confidence that you can easily crack the interviews. And second important point, preparation for the written test. In written test, as we all know, the 3 main important things are there. The first is aptitude, second one verbal, and technical based on programming languages. For aptitude, you have to do lots of practices on logical sums based on your interests. And coming to the verbal, try to learn at least new 5 words in English and with meanings. Collect all those words and prepare before your interview. It will really help you to crack the interview in verbal. And coming to the technical part. Technical part is most important thing. When you, in my personal experience, I really thankful to RK sir and Satya Allah for creating a special coding batch and providing us online platforms like Talentio and Edist. I learned coding from my second year itself on Edist. It really helps me to crack this Wipro. And try to solve more basic codes in your interest languages, like whether it may be C, C++, Python or Java. And third main point is preparation for the both TR and HR rounds. I really suggest you to do one thing when you are in TR round. Please don't forget one thing. Give some smile, wish him, and start with a smooth conversation with him and feel comfort with him. And try to analyze the questions which he is asked in your interviewer. And in mostly TR rounds they will ask you about project. So you are already done your mini project in your second year. At least you should speak on your project 2 to 3 minutes. In this speech you have to raise 3 points. Why you choose this project, and what is the main agenda of this project, and what is the contribution of this project. Then he will definitely understand that you have the clear-cut idea about your project. And he really appreciated you and convinced by you. And the second most important, preparation for the HR. In HR, before the HR interview, you should prepare your mind mentally and peacefully. Because we did not prepare any previous questions about HR interview. They will ask based on your resume or outside the question, general knowledge questions. So prepare yourself and get ready for the HR round. In HR round, generally they will ask you about, tell me about yourself. So try to speak in a unique way. Don't mention what you are mentioning in your resume, don't speak it out in your HR interview. Please understand this point. And you will explain your very unique way, that is who you are, how the job is fit for you, why you choose this company. These are the details, and how much you are capable to learn new things. These are the things you have to mention when you are speaking about yourself. And the most importantly, when they are asked about why should I hire you, what are the company details, don't hesitate it. Try to think at least 30 to 40 seconds of time. I think before a HR interview you should know what is the company details, at least 4 to 5 sentences. So be prepared, aware of it. And coming to the last and final point, why should I hire you? It is very easiest question. We think it is a difficult question, but it's not made like that. Why? Because we are freshers, right? So don't hesitate it. Directly you say answer like, being a fresher, I don't have that much of experience, but I can able to learn new things, and I am a mingle person. easily mingle with the team group, and I also a good team player, and I'm a flexible person. I can create my environment very flexibly. This type of answer you should give, then definitely he is impressed by you. And this is the most important 3 aspects you should learn and go for the interview. All the best for you guys, and I really thankful to Kite Management and RQ sir for giving this wonderful opportunity to share my experiences with you. Stay safe. Thank you all. Proud to be a Kitean.